So we'll start with that question or poverty. Question is, in search of larger goal of poverty elimination, have we lost the sight of goal of hunger elimination? Okay, it is a comment question. So how do we approach this question is that it is a very simple, straightforward. That is the point. The structure is what we will be looking at. So for example, if you see, first is simple, as we clearly I asked you, what is the definition of poverty in simple terms? If you are writing also, it is okay. That is a lack of financial resources or financial resources for essential things. Okay, so this is poverty. So what the question is asking is that, have we lost sight of elimination of hunger in search of eliminating poverty? So what that means is that, first we have to talk about the steps taken for poverty, or steps taken for elimination of poverty. Okay, what that means is that the question is saying, so we have addressed poverty elimination, but have we lost sight of the hunger which is present in the society? So I would like to have this as well. So I'll maybe have this as well. So before talking about the steps, you can talk about, for example, poverty, because poverty is a multi-dimensional thing, right? Multi-dimensional poverty index is the thing. So you can talk about, for example, economic poverty, social poverty, and here you can talk about, for example, hunger. That is, see, in this picture, what by this what we are showing is that there are multifaceted to the poverty, and we are thinking about, for example, so each poverty is here, each facet is here. So now we will talk about the steps taken. So what are the steps taken for resolving economic poverty? So there are many steps for resolving economic poverty. Like you can talk about MNREGA program is also there. MNREGA is there. That is Manrega is there, and livelihood mission is there. Many other for food for work is there. So all these are, if you see, for reducing economic poverty. That is, you are reducing the wage gap, or you are increasing the wage of the person. So by this we are reducing economic poverty. Okay. By then again next. So again you have to talk about. So social poverty. Next is social angle. For this also we have taken steps. For example, social poverty, health or education. Education, we have been providing education. For example, Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan and article, I think I forgot the article, but constitution, we have an article giving the right to education. Okay, right to education is there. So by this we are reducing the education poverty in society also. And anyone having health problem, for this also we have schemes, right? Government hospital is there, many other. For example, today we have this insurance scheme also. New insurance scheme is coming. So see here, slowly what I am doing is that I am saying that poverty is very our poverty definition and the facets of poverty, and I am saying we have taken steps for this. And for hunger also, okay, for reducing hunger also, we have taken steps. For example, PDS system or public distribution system, and midday meal scheme also is there. Midday meal scheme and ICDS, Integrated Child Development Scheme. So all this is, for example, if you see, all this is for poverty reduction only. But the question is asking, in the sense, have we forgotten the hunger? That is, have we forgotten hunger as a facet of poverty? Hunger as a facet while reducing poverty. So, but now you have to say, now you can say, see, all these steps have been taken, correct? But still, if you see, but hunger is still there, in the sense that Hunger is still there. Global hunger index says India is at a very low scale. Even if you are not knowing the rank of that, it is okay. Low. And you can talk about, for example, this is where data, you can provide data in the sense stunting. Stunting means having a low height. Okay, for this you can use the data from National Family Health Survey. National Family Health Survey. The latest is 5, but 4 is available. So in this, the data for stunting is available. In this, you can talk about, for example, see, you can have a graph, and you can say that actually 42, 2005, 42, now it has reduced. Okay, in 2020 it has reduced, but still it is high, still 30%. So still 30% of the children in India are stunting and wasting is there. So you can talk about that, or obesity is there, or you can talk about the same National Family Health Survey is there, which says that 50% of women in India are anemic. Okay, 50% are anemic. So see, slowly you have established the fact that poverty is there. Poverty has multi-dimensional facet, but for resolving poverty, many steps are, see, these are not the only steps. You can say many other steps also. All these steps have been taken, but all these steps, have they addressed the hunger in society? So hunger in society, for example, these you have to, in the sense that justify the fact that yes, hunger has not been taken care to the extent that poverty. So when you are saying that, you can just give these 4 examples, then, but this is not the end la. Way forward or steps taken for this. So we have not stopped with this. We have, for example, iron tablets for women. Okay, iron tablets, because to address anemia, iron tablets for women. Second, you can talk about fortified food. Many have written this answer. Very nice point. Fortified foods. Fortified foods means some people will have iodine deficiency, or some mainly affects women. Iodine deficiency causes this thyroid problem. So fortified food will have this for example, iodized salt. Okay, then for example, midday meal scheme. Midday meal scheme Midday meal scheme earlier was for quantity. Now they are talking about nutrients and vitamins, calories. They are now thinking about in this angle. So, like this, and for example, you can talk about Swachh Bharat also. Swachh Bharat is for what? Because proper, what scientists say is that without proper sanitation, the nutrients are not absorbed in the in our body properly. So when you have proper sanitation, you will have better absorption of nutrients. Okay, so you should understand this, and you can write about it again. So this is how this question can be addressed. Next question will go. So this is about poverty. That, see, this is for example, what I keep saying is that have this when you're writing an answer, uh, if you happen to see, it should have one structure. Okay, it should have one relevant structure. That is the point. Not any structure, the relevant structure and the relevant, see, 1 point, 2 point, 3 3 points, that's it. But that structure is important, because what that question is saying in simple terms, you understand that question in simple terms. Poverty is there, okay, we have taken steps, okay, but have we lost sight of hunger? So what you have to write? Poverty is there, right? Poverty, how to reduce, right? Then you have to say, ama, hunger has not been addressed a little, because the global hunger index, obesity, everything is there. But we should not end with a negative note. So one way forward, and you are completing, and then this answer will be over.
Hello friends, welcome to Minds of Aspirants. Lincoln program. Lincolnறது complete subscription for Minds of Aspirants. நீங்க prelims படிக்கலாம், core batch படிக்கலாம், mains படிக்கலாம், answer writing எழுதலாம், test batch எழுதலாம், எல்லாமே. அதாவது ஒரு கிட்டத்தட்ட ஒரு லைஃப் லாங் மெம்பர்ஷிப் நீங்க இன்டர்வியூ போற வரைக்கும். இதுதாங்க நம்ம லிங்கன் பேட்ச். இப்போ இதே மாதிரி நம்ம ஆன்சர் ரைட்டிங் பேட்ச் ஸ்பெசிஃபிக்கா பண்றோம். அந்த ஆன்சர் ரைட்டிங் மெயின்ஸ் கேண்டிடேட்ஸ்க்கும் அப்ளை ஆகும். 2026ல மெயின்ஸ் எழுத போறவங்களுக்கும் அப்ளை ஆகும், 2027ல மெயின்ஸ் எழுத போறவங்களுக்கும் அப்ளை ஆகும். இந்த மெயின்ஸ் பேட்ச்ல ரொம்ப டீடைல்டா ஜிஎஸ் பேப்பர் 4 எஸ்ஏ அண்ட் ஆன்சர் ரைட்டிங், நீங்க டெஸ்ட் எழுதலாம், எல்லாமே இருக்குங்க. இதை தவிர்த்து நம்ம மைண்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஆஸ்பிரன்ட்ஸ்ல ஜீன் அப்படின்ற ஒரு ஆந்த்ரோபாலஜி பேட்சும் நம்ம ஆரம்பிப்போங்க. அந்த ஆந்த்ரோபாலஜி பேட்ச் இந்த தடவை நம்ம டெஸ்ட் பேட்சையும் இன்க்ளூட் பண்ணி டெஸ்ட்டும் எப்படி எழுதுறது அப்படின்றத ஒரு ப்ராக்டிஸ் செஷனாக நம்ம வச்சு பண்ண போகிறோம். அண்ட் இந்த டீட்டெயில்ஸ் எல்லாம் தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும்னா கீழே இருக்கிற மைண்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஆஸ்பிரன்ட்ஸ் நம்பருக்கு கால் பண்ணுங்க. அண்ட் மைண்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஆஸ்பிரன்ட்ஸ் அஃபிஷியல்னு ஒரு டெலிகிராம் சேனலும் இருக்கு, நீங்க அந்த சேனல்லையும் உங்க டீட்டெயில்ஸை தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாங்க. அண்ட் யாராவது உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் ஃபேமிலி யூபிஎஸ்சி படிக்கிறாங்கன்னா இந்த இன்ஃபர்மேஷனை அவங்களுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. தேங்க்யூ.